Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a stable internet connection and that your PC has power. Updates can stall without both. Once done, sign into an administrator account so you can install system-level changes. Close Google Drive, Google Docs, and any apps locking files because the installer replaces running components. Save any unsynced files to a local folder and note which drive account and folders you use. This prevents accidental data mismatch when the new client starts its first sync. You now run the official Google Drive installer with administrator privileges so it can replace system files and register services. When prompted, allow the installer to replace existing files and restart any drive background services. This ensures the client applies the latest sync engine and security fixes. Make sure to accept permission dialogues, otherwise the update won't complete. While the installer runs, keep your PC awake and avoid interrupting network access. Since the client may download, you finish by restarting the PC so the updated services start cleanly. Then open Google Drive and sign in if required, watching the sync status icon. Verify the new version in settings and confirm your critical folders display recent timestamps to ensure the update applied correctly. If syncing fails, first sign out and sign back in, then retry the installer. If problems persist, clear the drive cache or perform a clean reinstall. That usually resolves locked files or corrupted client states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.